Airports are confusing, and it's common to get lost. This video series are going to share with you the airport design insights, giving you the knowledge to get through airport faster. When you see an airport on Google Maps, has a building detached from other buildings, and the detached building has aircrafts parked around its entire perimeter,
it's a sign that you'll likely need more time to go through that airport. I'm going to show you how to spot them and how to effectively plan your time at the airport.
Every terminal building consists of two parts, Headhouse and Concourse. Headhouse is the portion right next to the curbs, which house programs such as check-in, security screening, baggage claim, and customs. Concourse is the portion near the airfield, where hold rooms, boarding gates, and most concessions are at. Concourse is very easy to spot on Google Maps. It's always surrounded by aircrafts. A simple terminal could include only one headhouse and one concourse. However, it's also very common to see one headhouse serve more than one concourses. They are connected by underground walking tunnels or trains. At LAX International Terminal, for example, it takes 32 minutes for a passenger walk to the nearest gate 148 from the security checkpoint, but 50 minutes to the furthest gate 210 in the adjacent concourse building through an underground tunnel.
You want to be aware of this and plan your time accordingly. Even if you're gifted like him, it may not be this cool with your personal items and carry-on. The good news is that you can know where your gate is even before you get to the airport.
Airline gives out gate information to passengers hours before the flight departure time. Some airports offer interactive maps on their website, such as LAX or Denver International Airports. You can type in your gate number and check-in locations to get the estimation of time to go through that airport. I do see they include the processing time at security checkpoint, but I recommend to plan extra waiting time for your travel this summer. It is very challenging time that a lot of places are understaffed.
What if the airport you're traveling to doesn't offer an interactive map?
Google Map comes in handy. In the default mode, zoom in until gate numbers show up, and you can find where your gate in relation with the headhouse. Although you can't get an estimated travel time directly from Google Maps like the airport provided maps,
rule of thumb is that it generally takes another 20 minutes from the nearest gate to the furthest.
If the terminal looks like Los Angeles International Airport or O'Hare International Airport, where there is only one satellite concourse, plan to walk. The satellite concourse is an expansion of the existing terminal building and usually connected by walking tunnels. If the airport looks like Atlanta or Denver International Airport with multiple satellite concourses, then there is usually an underground train to move passengers around quickly. Coincidentally, from nearest gate at Denver International Airport to the furthest, it also takes about 20 minutes. It's hard to know how much time you're going to spend at the check-in counter or security checkpoint. It really depends on the airline and time of the day you're traveling. But as soon as you pass security screening, it's predictable. I used to go straight to the gate and kill time at the nearby restaurants or shops. Now knowing exactly where my gate is and how long it takes to get there, gives me more confidence to shop and dine wherever I want with a peace of mind.